एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल इंग्लिश विद शिवाय क्लासेस। आज हम पढ़ेंगे BA 6 सेमेस्टर के सेकंड पेपर की लास्ट यूनिट यानी कि 8th यूनिट, मूवी रिव्यू एंड एडिटिंग और नरेशन। सबसे पहले देखते हैं मूवी रिव्यू। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। मीनिंग ऑफ रिव्यू इज द आंसर इज टू क्रिटिसाइज टू समथिंग। विच वर्ड बेस्ट डिफाइंस जेनर? द आंसर इज डी, ऑल ऑफ द above. Which notion is accurate about romantic comedy and social class? The answer is C. Class are ultimately united by the end of a romantic comedy. What is the meaning of movie review? The answer is A. Informing, persuading, narrating a movie in briefly. Movie review writing should be based on. The answer is B. Writing pattern and organizational format. Nowadays, movie critics are. The answer is A. Starts as recommendation of a movie review. Match up the following. Action comedy, action comedy 4, adventure movie का एक्साइटिंग स्टोरी विद न्यू, सी का ए, और हॉरर कॉमेडी सेकेंड. We find a series of a movie picture with recorded sound and these movies pictures tell a story which is shown at the cinema is called movie. What is setting in a movie? The answer is C. News serial movie shows actual events. Documentary movie shows details of actual event. What are the elements of a movie? Setting, character, plot, conflict, theme. According to Cambridge Dictionary, what is review? The answer is A. To think something again in order to make change to it or to make a decision about it. The purpose of writing a movie review? The answer is B. Movie review are normally written in present tense. Formal film review should be written in active voice. Movie reviews are written commentary, which is not an element of film review structure. The answer is D. Which nation does relate to online movie review? The answer is C. A movie review should be in summary. A movie created with recorded photographic image with camera. Final draft of a film movie is prepared by editor. Editing is considered handcraft and an art form. 4 categories of editing are chronological, cross-cutting, deep focus, montage. Which one is not a transition? Zoom. The first attempt at editing of a movie is rough cut. In which shoot do we find extreme detail of the subject? Big close-up. What is montage? C. Cinematography is invented by Limerick brothers, who is known as the father of film movie editing. W. Griffith. Montage is created by Sergei Epstein. What is considered the blueprint of a film movie editing? What are the basic edit? Transition, cut, dissolve, wipe, fade. Editing process is referred as post production. ECU stand extreme long shoot. ML stand medium long shots. What is fade cut? B. What is jump cut to? A. An stabilizing shoot is a wide angle shoot. Narration. Which statement is wrong about? The answer is D. What does narrative in a film refers? The answer is A. In movie narrative, spectator gain information from all of above. In movie narration, the action, event and characters are controlled by C. We find real and fictitious event in narration. Who says? The purpose of film narration could be in fact to make sure that the spectators perceive and understand the narration's content more well. Which is purpose of film movie narration? The answer is D. Which is relate to the quality of a narrator? C. Movie can rapidly process to the next scene and keep the story moving forward. Then when narrators summarize key plot points in movie, which type of narrators are described in movie narration? The answer is D. What is the quality of omniscient narrator? The answer is C. Omniscient narrator resolves various central questions of film. Sorry, इसका आंसर डी होगा. Why does play a distinctive role? The answer is B. What is essential for making a film? The answer is B. Match these in three structure. The answer is D. All of above. The agent of cause and effects are characters, attitudes, skills, psychology, drives, appears, habit, etc. Attributes are possessed by characters. A film movie begins in the middle of things. In medias in the Latin phrase which means in the middle of things. In the principles of narration, Bordwell distinguishes three elements which are fabula, episode, style. इसी के साथ मूवी रिव्यू एडिटिंग और नरेशन से रिलेटेड एमसीक्यूज फिनिश होते हैं.